So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install TensorFlow in our computer. See, this is a basic just basically a three-word line to install TensorFlow. But I will be telling in this video like how can you get more about that particular library. So firstly let's move in our browser and type TensorFlow PyPy. See, PyPy is a website where you can get information about almost each and every library of Python. So, this is the pip command for installation of TensorFlow, and there is not much information available on this particular website, but you can read out this one. TensorFlow is an open source library for high performance of numerical computations. So, like this, you can get easy description for almost all of your libraries and sometimes functions also. Okay, now let's move in our code editor and install this one. You can directly install via this CMD if you want to install it on global level. I can also install via this pip install TensorFlow. Okay guys, sorry. Let me check something. Okay guys, so I got that. This error is because of the my Python version. Let me check my Python version. Python hyphen version. I'm using 3.13.1, but TensorFlow generally doesn't works in 3.13 or 3.13 version. So you need an older version for running this TensorFlow library. Okay, let's close this one. Let's close this terminal too. And let's close this VS Code. Now let's open our VS Code again. And I will switch my Python version from VS Code only. Okay, so I will be creating a file named as app.py or random.py, something like this. Now you can see that I'm currently using 3.13.1. Just click here and then you will see a list of versions. If you have multiple versions installed on your computer, then just go in your suitable version. I will be going with 3.10.0. Now reopen your terminal and check for Python hyphen version. This is currently using Python 3.13.1. Okay, so now what you have to do is you just have to simply place this command. What this is actually doing, this is calling that Python 3.10 version, and this is our simple pip install TensorFlow command. Just press enter. Now it will download all your packages. So you can see that our TensorFlow is downloading. So that's it for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.